Okay guys, we are back at Casa Ylaya. Here's the pool area. The kids are gonna love swimming here. We had just actually rented this for the day. This is where we're gonna have all the food here. So we're getting the float ready. Fifi, you ready to go swimming?
Say hi to Emily.
Hi, Emily. You gonna put it in the pool? Oh, let me see. Can you do it? Watch your step. Watch out, Fifi. Okay, dump it in there. And the shamu. Emily, the shamu. Okay. Look at Fifi. She's ready to go swimming, huh? You got your floaties. You want to go swimming? Are you ready? Are you ready to go swimming? No, but you have your bathing suit on. All right. Cool. Pippa's ready. Hello. It's a perfect day for swimming because it's so hot. Okay, Pippa's ready to go swimming. Oh, Ate Chin need to put on her bathing suit, her swimsuit. That's Emily, the floating whale.
No, that's a dolphin.
I think that's a whale, baby. Hello. Hello. Oh, you're getting big. Hey! What else do we have here? Oh!
Aba, dalawa pala binili niyang bigas. Ang dami yan. Yan. Yan.
Hey! Hey! All for the kids. All for the kids. They're all here. Ready to go swimming. Oh, Fifi's swimming there, huh? Fifi is swimming. Hey. Okay.
Hi. Welcome to our vlog.
Welcome to Ylaya. Hi, Fifi.
Si Ate, oh. Si Ate Michelle, oh.
Let's go. God bless. Ligo na, ligo na.
Oh, up, 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 up.
Yeah.
Hoy, hoy, hoy.
There.
Pass.
Wow, hold on, hold on.
Ha? Ay, wala na. Nag-ano na siya, eh, oh.
Arlene's doing some karaoke.
Oh, si Bibi, oh. Hello. Oh, si Bibi, oh.
Play with your cousins. These are your cousins.
Oh.
These are your cousins. Ay. Film them.
Throw yourself underwater. Saan? Wala.
They are ready. Hi, Phoebe.
Hoy, Bibi! Wow!
They're all having fun, guys. This is the Havina's clan. Hi, baby. Are you having fun? She said, "Leave me alone. I'm busy."
Go, Bibi!
She's training for the Olympic team. Well, look at my baby. Look at. Here's Pippa. Hi, baby. Hi, Fifi. Hi, Fifi.
Abang ako sa'yo. Abang ako sa'yo. Dinosaur.
Hi. Hello.
Hi, ikaw, hi.
Hi, Chin. Hello.
Pinsan kami.
Yes. Cousin.
Mom, that's how you buy it. Doon ako? Wala kang bantay. Hoy!
But be careful. Let me see.
Fifi, it's so...
Where are you going?
slippery.
It's slippery there. You're gonna swim too, babe? Go. It's a different angle here, guys. Having fun. Say thank you to Kuya Jess. Hi, Phoebe. You're making ate work, huh? Ice cream.
Ilang kayo doon? Ayan.
Is it good, Phoebe? You like the ice cream? Look at Fifi. Whoa! She is not scared. You okay, Pippa? Hi, baby. Maybe we should get Ate Michelle some floaties. You need some floaties.
I don't know how to swim. You know how to swim.
Hi, baby. You having fun?
Yeah.
Fifi. Careful. Where are you going? Where you want to go? Go to mommy. Wow. Good job, Fifi. Yay.
Nothing to lose, your love to win. Until the first day, then nothing stirs you again. And I know for sure I was done.
Hi.
Ano yun?
Hi.
Can I see the camera? Hi. Oh, we're gonna jump, okay? Go vlog it. Vlog mo. Paano kung... Double work tayo dito, Pipi, ah.
Amay.
Go.
You gonna jump? Fifi gonna jump? Jump! I was gonna go on your nose. Fifi eating mango. Mommy's eating mango. Is it good? Is it sweet? Sweet. Is it good, Fifi? Is it good? Mm.
Wow.
What's in your hands? In your hands. How could you watch the sleep so close to you, pretending not to know? How could you memorize my name and forget who I am?
Look at the girls having fun. Hi, baby. Do a close up. Hi, baby. Hi, baby.
Hi. Hi to the camera, Piggy.
Ready, go. Yeah. Hi. Oh. Ready, go. got it. Here, come here. You got it. You okay? Okay, you want to go there? Ready, go.
My gosh! Wait lang! Ay! Mali ka kasi! Doon ka kasi sa unahan! Ako daw, wait lang. Ako daw.
Daddy's coming. Daddy's coming. Daddy coming. Hi. Okay, slowly. Oops. See, this is where we're at, guys.
Doon tayo sa mababaw.
Maybe you just jump on it, right?
Baka pumutok.
No. Oh, like that. Okay. You got it, baby.
Oh, doon sa pinakaunahan.
There you go.
Ikaw mapalit yan. Baka mahulan. Ikaw na. Michelle, di go.
Go, Michelle.
Michelle, di. Oh, go. Michelle. Okay, guys. Let's go.
See you next year. People, look back here. Hey, you guys look back here real quick. There you go. Sorry. You got it? There you go. Was it fun? Okay, go to the stairs. Wow. Where is it? Oh, it's right behind you. Right here, there's a dinosaur. Go get the dinosaur. Get the dinosaur. Okay, spray daddy now. Spray daddy. Spray daddy. Spray daddy. Ah! Ah!
Go here.
Ah! Ah! Oh. Wow. You don't want to go down there? You gotta go down this here. Float! Oh, no more? Okay. You hear the thunder? You're not scary? It's not scary? There's Ate.
Before the